Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Basic Civil Engineering by BD. Today in this important video lecture I will discuss civil engineering basic knowledge. This is very important to every civil engineering student and civil engineers if are working construction site, if they are studying, even if they are free, they learn the basic knowledge of civil engineering. And this video is very important for all civil engineers who work for construction site. So let's we start this channel. I will create part 1, part 2, part 3 for this basic knowledge of civil engineering topics, all relevant subject: geotech, structure analysis, structure design, all all subject of civil engineering topic. So let's start. I will this video be simple for you. Must you like and subscribe. First one, this is the modulus of elasticity. First one is modulus of elasticity of concrete. This is the formula of modulus of elasticity of concrete. EC equal to 5000 root FCK. This is the formula of modulus of elasticity of concrete, where FCK is the characteristic strength of the concrete. FCK is the characteristic strength of the concrete. Characteristic strength of the concrete is the value of strength of the concrete below which not more than 5% result are expected to fail. This is the characteristic strength of the concrete. Basic mean strength. So mean strength formula is Fm equal to FCK plus K into sigma. This is where FCK is the characteristic strength of the concrete. Characteristic strength of the concrete, and sigma is the standard deviation. Where M is the mean strength. So this is the chart. If the test result started for this started for K value equal to 0, K value for 50%, 5% and 16%. So K value equal to 0, K equal to 1, K equal to 1.65, K equal to 1.645. This is graph of characteristic strength of the concrete. So Fm equal to FCK, K into sigma, where for F equal to for 5%, for 5%, Fm equal to FCK plus 1.65 sigma. For 50%, Fm equal to FCK plus 0 0, FC equal to 0, so FM equal to FCK. For F equal to for 60%, so mean strength equal to FCK plus sigma, where 60% K value is 1, where 60% K value is 1, when 50% K value is 0, when 5% K value is 1.65. So this is the modulus of elasticity of concrete, where basic formula use many questions solved. Second one is tensile strength of the concrete. This is FCR, tensile strength of the concrete in flexure, FCR equal to 0.7 root FCK. And third one is modular ratio, where modular ratio ES equal to modulus elasticity of steel upon modulus of elasticity of concrete. Modulus of elasticity of concrete. Fifth one, weight of one bag of cement. This is a weight of one bag of cement is 50 kg. Weight of one bag of cement is 50 kg. Every bags 50 kg. Density of cement 1440 kg per meter cube. This is kg per meter cube. This is a standard value of density of cement. Now you can see guys, this is a top slab. This is a top slab and this is the cross section of the slab. So the minimum thickness of the slab 0.125 meter or 125 millimeter. This is a minimum thickness of the slab. Next one is DPC thickness should not be less than 2.5 centimeter. DPC means dam proof course. Dam proof course its thickness should not be less than 2.5 centimeter. Next one, what is the development length? You can see guys, this is the beam. This is the beam and the this end side are rod provided, so we can this side still, you can see guys, this is the steel. This side is still coming into downside and this side is still coming into upside. This is called development length, which makes good bars between steel and concrete. So this is the development length. Slope of stairs. Next one is slope of stairs should be between 25 to 40. What is this? It means guys, we can see This is the wall, this is the wall, and this is the stair. This is the stair. The angle should be between 25 to 40. This stair should not be more than 40. Other than pupil faces problem for their stair. The next one is the riser in stair in between 150 to 200 mm. Riser in stair in between 150 to 200 mm, and tread in stair in between 260 to 300 mm. So riser means this is a stair. This is called riser. This vertical face is called riser. This vertical face called riser. It is between 150 to 200 mm. This is standard size. It should not more than its value greater than pupil faces many problems. And tread. This vertical face for stair is called tread. This value between 260 to 300 mm. This is also standard size of stair. This is tread. This is tread and this is riser. The next one is the number 1 meter cube equal to 500. Next one is M20 grade concrete ratio. So what is mean M20? M20 means strength of concrete. M means strength, 20 means grade. M20 ratio is 1:1.5 into 3. This is the ratio of M20 concrete. Unit weight of steel formula. This is a steel weight D square equal to 162. This is this formula need to find the unit weight of steel. Now example diameter of this is the diameter of steel. For example I am using diameter of this steel is 12 mm, right? Diameter of steel is 12 mm. So we steel weight. So put the formula 160 and we can find 0.88 kg per meter. Weight of steel for this is the weight of steel for 12 mm rod. This is the weight of steel for 12 mm rod, and also putting the running meter of steel only for 12 mm. Next one is lapping should not be provided for the dia more than 36 mm. Lapping should not be provided for the for 36 more than 36 mm. For the example, we can, guys, this is the rod for 36 mm. This is the rod for 36 mm. This is the rod for 36 mm. So we cannot provide lapping more than 36 mm. This is lapping for all rod which not provide 36 mm more than 36 mm. Next one, in maximum free fall for concrete is 1.5 meter. Maximum free fall of concrete is 1.5 meter. Compressive strength of the concrete is 7.5 Newton per mm square. So this is the